So tip number 1 is to always keep your plants fertilized. You could use worm castings or compost, whatever you wish, or you could just use a liquid fertilizer. So just add enough. For example, if you're using worm castings like the way I am, use small quantities because the amount of heat that they have in them can burn the roots of your plant. Try to make a nice and homogeneous mixture of the soil and the manure. Tip number 2 is to keep your plants protected from any creatures like birds or rats or something like that. It's really simple. So all that you need to do is keep like a fencing around it. 2 to 3 sticks around it is enough to keep the birds or the animals away. Tip number 3 is really important. So in this you need to keep your plants free from any kind of particles covering the plant's axil. Now axil is the point between two branches so that a new branch could come up. Now by spraying something like water or just blowing air very frequently over it by some dryer or something like that, you could move away the dirt from there and let a new branch come up. Tip number 4 is a really helpful tip if you want your plant to grow fast. This is really simple. It requires a stick to be buried right next to the plant and a cable tie. So what this does is it gives support to the plant so that the plant can grow upright without using any efforts by itself. So this causes the plant to use less energy to keep itself upright and use that energy to grow. So you are letting the plant use more energy for growing and hence you grow the plant faster. Eventually the plant stem will become thicker so that it grows faster. So that's why you should remember not to tie it firmly at all and keep a lot of gap in between like the way it is shown. If you see any branch that is drooping and has got some white lines or infectious lines, you should just cut it off because it might infect the plant entirely.